Introducing VisionOS 2. VisionOS 2 propels spatial computing forward with new ways to connect with your most important memories, great enhancements to productivity, and powerful new developer APIs for immersive shared experiences. To tell you more, here's Haley.
VisionOS 2 is a great release with some big updates. Let's start with photos. Spatial computing has reinvented how you view your photos. There's nothing like seeing them life-size with incredible fidelity. Spatial photos are even more powerful, bringing life and realism to your favorite moments with family and friends. It's incredibly moving to step back into a treasured memory, and the rich visual depth of spatial photos makes this possible. Now, VisionOS 2 lets you do something truly amazing with the photos already in your library. With just the tap of a button, advanced machine learning derives both a left and right eye view from your beautiful 2D image, creating a spatial photo with natural depth that looks stunning on Vision Pro. It's so magical to reach into the past and bring your most cherished photos into the future. And now, you can experience all your panoramas and spatial photos and videos together with the people you love using SharePlay in the Photos app. With our new spatial personas, it feels like they are sitting right next to you, even if they're thousands of miles away. People are amazed at how easy it is to navigate Vision Pro with just their eyes, hands, and voice. And with VisionOS 2, we've made it even easier. Now, you can just hold your hand up and tap to open Home View. Or flip your hand over to bring up time and battery level, and tap again to open Control Center, giving you quick access to frequently used features like notifications and Mac Virtual Display. People love Mac Virtual Display because it lets them bring their Mac wirelessly into Vision Pro just by looking at it, giving them a large, private, and portable 4K display. Later this year, it gets even better with higher display resolution and size. And it can be expanded even further into an ultra-wide display that wraps around you, equivalent to 2 4K monitors side by side. Your content stays sharp wherever you look, thanks to dynamic foveation performed on the Mac. Another great thing about Apple Vision Pro is how incredible it is to use on a plane, letting you take a private movie theater wherever you go. With VisionOS 2, we're adding train support to travel mode, so you can work privately on your long commute or catch up on your favorite shows on a massive screen. These updates are going to make the Vision Pro experience even better. And now, back to Mike.
In addition to these great features, VisionOS 2 also makes it even easier for developers to create sophisticated spatial apps. There are many new frameworks and APIs for developers to explore, like advanced volumetric APIs that allow even the most complex 3D apps to run side by side for the ultimate multitasking experience. Tabletop Kit makes it possible for developers to quickly create apps that anchor to flat surfaces, like manufacturing workstations or board and card games, and are great for use with spatial personas on FaceTime. And enterprise-specific APIs that will enable powerful use cases like surgical training in healthcare, equipment maintenance in manufacturing, and beyond. These new APIs and frameworks will unlock exciting opportunities for developers to create truly unique experiences. We're also making it easier for people to create new spatial content for Apple Vision Pro, like spatial video. We've made it so easy to capture spatial video anywhere with iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's one of the best ways to relive meaningful moments in your life. Spatial video can also be used by pro videographers to tell powerful brand, product, and creative stories. To make creating and sharing spatial videos with commercial audiences easier, Canon will offer a brand new spatial lens for their popular EOS R7 digital camera. It can record gorgeous spatial video for Apple Vision Pro, even under the most challenging lighting conditions. Spatial videos can then be edited in Final Cut Pro for Mac and shared and viewed in the new Vimeo app for VisionOS. This new professional workflow will be available this fall. Last year, we also introduced Apple Immersive Video, a game-changing entertainment format created just for Vision Pro. Apple Immersive Videos are 180-degree 8K recordings with spatial audio that give you mind-blowing experiences with lifelike fidelity. It truly feels like you were there. To enable creators to bring their own stories to life with Apple Immersive Video, we've partnered first with Blackmagic Design, a leading innovator in creative video technology, to build a new production workflow consisting of Blackmagic cameras, DaVinci Resolve Studio, and Apple Compressor. These will all be available to creators later this year. And there's new Apple Immersive Video content on the way, including a new extreme sports series with Red Bull, reimagined experiences from the world's biggest artists like The Weeknd, and our first scripted Apple Immersive short film, Submerged, from Oscar-winning director Edward Berger. These titles and more will be available on the TV app. So that's what's coming to Apple Vision Pro and VisionOS. VisionOS 2 introduces a new way to turn your favorite photos into spatial photos, new intuitive gestures, a big boost to productivity with Mac Virtual Display, powerful new developer APIs, and so much more. Now, back to Tim.
As you can see, we're continuing to push VisionOS forward, as well as providing new content and capabilities for Apple Vision Pro. I've been hearing from people all over the world about their interest in this incredible product. So I'm happy to announce we're bringing Apple Vision Pro to these 8 countries next, starting with China, Japan, and Singapore on June 28th, and Australia, Canada, France, Germany, and the United Kingdom on July 12th.